Well, I just had a very painful boneheaded moment. I ran out of footage or memory on the memory card. So we just lost all the footage of getting Sam's finger cut off. Well, not cut off, but he sliced it pretty good on the hay mower with having a broken blade. And well, I guess we'll just start here for hay season because I don't have any footage of that no more. I haven't saved or backed up the card on my computer in a while. So that's just lovely. So doing a little custom job. We're getting close to 2,000 bales into the season. We missed the fact that I had to rake this, mow this, and bale it, head it out, re-rake it, get a little bit of rain here and there. And I don't know how much more footage we're gonna get because I am very deflated. I don't know what's worse, deleting all the footage. So I won't be 2 months behind anymore because there won't be anything to edit. So there's that. Or I could have had hay rained on, which is probably way worse. Then I would have rained on hay to deal with. So we got to get back to baling life here. been really wasting fuel. This little fork tractor going in second gear instead of third. So I'm only going like 2.5 miles an hour instead of 4. It's slow. It makes it easy to film, I'll say that much. I have gone faster for some, and I've got the mower set to shave it off just about. I've got one more notch to go lower on the skid plates, but I pretty well have it sitting on the ground. I don't know why. I just decided to try that. Kicks and giggles. I'm not going to be able to come back and mow again. It's too late for that. I'm not going to worry about trying to mow this again in October or whatever. We should be, hopefully you're picking corn by then. So yes, we'll get off, get some action of the mower. Unfortunately, nobody else has cut their finger off while trying to fix a sickle on the mower, so we're not going to redo that. I talked about that in the round bale loading video. Some of the stuff that happened during, say, the early hay mowing. I haven't run into any more rocks, haven't chipped any more blades. It's pretty well been run-of-the-mill stuff other than dodging weather. And I haven't really had any hay wash. I've had it sprinkled on once or twice, and I guess I got lucky there that it wasn't a total drag and waste of hay with too much rain. So finally we're having, I guess something interesting here with this lawn hay. It is wonderful. It'll be super smooth, some of the best stuff I've cut all year. Okay, so we're gonna take a nice close-up look and hopefully not look at it directly in the blur. I've tried to polish that off and smooth it. But this is a nice, comfy looking spot. I think this is some sort of fine fescue. It's delightful. There's also, well, that's all I'll say mature seed-wise. This is a top of a bent grass. Now, some of this is red top, and it's very odd to see red top in a lawn. It doesn't do well. I think there's a lot of creeping bent grass over there towards the trees because it's matted down more, and it's got to work a little harder to pick it up. But we're going for definitely a full-on close cut, and even creeping along, I'm not necessarily getting the greatest cut in places. And that's trying to go slow so the reel can peel it off the ground. Wow, geez. Maybe I shouldn't be getting too close because it makes it look even worse. So it's time to go back in circles.